Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. If you are ready to start your own business but aren't sure where to begin, NPCS has the solution. Our business guide for beginners will take you through the entire process of getting your business started and making it successful. We will walk you through everything from building your team to setting up an industry to maintaining it in the long term so that it can keep growing. To know more about this, you must watch the entire video with us. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is being widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. First, conduct a self-evaluation. You need to plan things, set requirements, and mainly recognize yourself, your fortes, your weaknesses. What you're doing is motivating and exciting, but not totally out of the doors of your expertise. Second, keep it short. Business plans have become shorter and briefer nowadays than they used to be. Whilst it might be tempting to add all the results of your market studies, it is important to flesh out each product you plan to sell. Your business plan should not simply be a short study, it should be easily schemed. Third, examine your marketplace's situations. The market will eventually decide how successful your commercial enterprise can be. What is your target marketplace and why a customer might be interested in your product? Involve both an evaluation of studies that others have performed in addition to several pieces of research that you have acquired yourself, whether by way of purchaser surveys, interviews, or different methods. This is the part where you will encompass a competitive evaluation. Fourth, make your enterprise legal. Truthfully, registering your business is one of the first steps that make your business real. However, as with the personal assessment step, take your time to recognize the pros and cons of different commercial enterprise entities. If there is anything that you are doubtful about, make sure to take legal advice. You can work with a lawyer to get the correct details. You will additionally want to get the right enterprise licenses and allows. Fifth, fund your commercial enterprise. Depending on the scale and dreams of your challenge, you might need financing from an angel investor or a challenging capital firm, or get assistance via authorities' guidelines. Sixth, take help from supportive government policies. The government has made numerous policies to help entrepreneurs and startups. The new programs and opportunities are helpful enough for new startups to be more innovative and show their state of the art. 7. How NPCS can help you to grow your new business and launch your startup. NPCS associate with startups and entrepreneurs from the private, public, and not-for-profit sectors in all regions to become aware of their highest value possibilities, cope with their most essential demanding situations, and transform their businesses. Our custom-designed method combines deep perception into the dynamics of agencies and markets with near collaboration in all respects of the startup's company. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project reports. NPCS also publishes technological, technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon. You can also comment us about this video. Please visit to our website for more informations. And you can also reach us at. You can also follow us on other social media platforms. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.